Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the Aldi's app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your address. Maybe you want to go ahead and get your groceries delivered to a different one. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Then go ahead and click on My Account. Next, click on where it says Addresses. And then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Add Address. So this is where you can enter your first name, last name, street address, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new address to the Aldi's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.